going on, guys? So today, pretty much what we're going to be doing is trying to do a quick review of these garage lights, such as I'm in my furnace room where it's not that much light. So what I want to do to address that issue is install some garage lights in my actual furnace room. So that way I can get much more better lighting. Turn that bad boy off. Even though that light bulb is, it's an LED bulb with, that's basically clear glass. So there's nothing actually, blocking the light from that LED bulb. So even if I, say for instance, I turn off this LED lamp. So turn off the LED lamp and just see how dim it is. And I'm using my iPhone to record, so it's low light area. And sometimes, when I'm trying to record, such as this is my camera setup here, got my Canon, got my LED light. There's other things that I'll put on this table to kind of do some repairs, and it's hard to see behind scenes, especially when I have my Canon on this tripod here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna throw in a garage light. We're gonna replace this current light fixture here and see if that's going to improve our light. Alright guys, so we got our Amazon package. It's another wonderful Amazon day. Alright, we're gonna take them out the box. That's one, and that's number two. So guys, what we have here is this, I'm gonna say tan baby, because I'm assuming that this is an N. It is a light that I purchased off of Amazon, which in particular at the time they had a good deal going on. I believe if you purchase another you get 5% off. So but the wattage is 60 watts. It's radar, no. Voltage, it's got a check for 85 to 275 volts. In the color, it says 6500K. Just to add, guys, it's 6,000 luminums, 50,000 hours of lifetime, and a 2-year warranty. Alright, let's see what we got. Very excited. Just pull it out the box. Alright guys, so this is the LED light itself. You pretty much connect it like any standard light bulb. So we're gonna fold down the LEDs. So each blade, there's a LED. So each blade has a LED on it. And the reason why I chose these is because they're adjustable. You can adjust these LEDs in any direction you want the light to go. So let's remove this cap here. And as you can see, you just pretty much plug and play. So each blade has its own wire harness. And bam, now you guys see me. But the primary reason why I wanted to improve the light in this room is to basically so that way you can have a better visual of the product and not me. Okay, so when it comes to the light for me, I would do a spotlight, but when it comes to actually products, I need a better room light. Okay, last but not least, it's a daylight. It's not a warm, soft color, but it's a daylight, so wakes me up more. You know, it makes me feel like, okay, let's get this done. Let's slam at it. You know, even though I've been doing 8 hours at work and now it's hobby time, I'm able to do hobby time because I got the perfect light to do so. It's like I'm motivated to actually do the hobby, if that makes any sense to you guys. Highly guys. Woo, I highly recommend this. This is, you will get your bang for your buck. 6,000 lumens, definitely. This is definitely where it's at. So guys, that's pretty much the wrap up our video. We confirmed that this garage light was definitely a plus, a must. It's worth it, guys. All seriousness, it's highly worth it. If you got an office, if you got a garage, if you have a warehouse, I highly recommend this. This is definitely, this is where it's at, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. I have a lot of electronic videos that's to come, and I have a lot that's recorded, but you know, I just got to get time to cranking them out. So for this giveaway, it will be for a double monitor arm. So this is a very durable dual monitor arm that pretty much it mounts to your computer desk. So it's a clamp that, say for instance, this is the desk. It basically clamps onto your computer desk, and then it has an arm, channels, where you can basically attach your dual monitors. It's shown here in this picture. Typically retails for $300. However, one lucky subscriber is going to win this product for free.